This is a video I put together on what I have learned so far about sawmill bandsaw blades and their care. The first thing to know about saw blades is that the teeth must be set so the cut they make is wider than the blade. This is done by bending alternating teeth away from the center of the blade. On home bandsaw blades, the set appears to be about 20 thousandths of an inch. Between the teeth, the blade is measured at 40 thousandths of an inch. At the tooth tip, the blade is measured about 60 thousandths of an inch. On my saw blade, the set is done in 3 tooth groups. The first tooth is bent to the right, the second is not bent, and the third is bent to the left. If you look closely, you can see the difference on the dial calc. There are many types of saw setting tools which range in price from a few dollars to several thousand. I inherited some saw setting tools from my grandfather, which seemed to work well, but they take time to use. They are shown here. To set the teeth, the tool is positioned over a tooth and the handle is pressed. This sets the tooth in one direction. To set the teeth in the other direction, just position the tool on the other side of the blade. You can adjust the amount of set by adjusting the anvil. This is a small round piece of steel on the tip of the tool. Some anvils may be rotated to change the angle of set. You can modify the angle by removing it and refiling it or making a new one from bar stock. After setting the teeth, it is time to sharpen them. I built an automated sharpener based on a design by Mac Wolgamott in his Poor Boys Autosharp YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.